The potent Tesla Model Pi smartphone is another Elon Musk-inspired gadget that Tesla fans may anticipate. The phone will, however, face competition from other models of phones on the market, including the well-known Apple iPhone. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about Tesla Pi phone versus Apple iPhone. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Apple is now a household name, given that it sells all the smartphones it can produce. The Cupertino-based corporation sold about 200 million units worldwide just last year. Undoubtedly, Apple is doing a lot of things well with its iPhones, which are updated annually. One more competition is set to arrive, though. The might of the wealthiest man in the world, who has practically limitless resources at his disposal to support his new product with Musk's backing, is behind this most recent rivalry. The Tesla phone is well equipped for success because it has a history of turning anything it touches into a hit. If you're still unsure, Tesla currently sells the most electric cars. In addition to sending satellites into orbit quickly for itself and other customers, SpaceX also launches and recovers NASA astronauts. Likewise, his uninteresting business is happily chugging along beneath us. Millions of Musk supporters will surely want to use a phone that he makes to complement their other Tesla products. Musk also has millions of supporters. Apple is said to compete with Tesla before moving on to the comparison between the Tesla Model Pi and the iPhone. It has been suggested that the maker of the iPhone is responsible for long-running electric car speculations. Even though the car has not yet arrived, the conversations have persisted. It is a fact, though, that Musk previously attempted to convince Tesla to switch to Apple when the automaker was mired in what he referred to as production hell. Musk, however, was unable to meet Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple. Tesla managed to endure and has since prospered. How does the Tesla-branded iPhone compare to the Apple iPhone, then? How are phones going to be made? Famously, Apple does not make its phones. The corporation outsources the actual manufacture and designs and tests them in the US. It has partners worldwide to produce the parts, including the camera, lens, semiconductors, and screens. Even Apple's main rival, Samsung, has supplied batteries to the company. The gyroscope is made by ST Microelectronics in Switzerland, while Bosch C-Tech makes the accelerometer in Germany. For Apple, the phones are assembled by two businesses. They are Foxconn and Pegatron, both of which have factories abroad but are based in Taiwan. Tesla might construct its assembly facilities if it wants to continue assembling its products. Creating an F facility is different from building a plant to manufacture phones. Additionally, the business can take a cautious approach and contract out the initial batches. From this point on, we will evaluate the two phones in light of the Model Pi we are familiar with. According to rumors, the camera configurations of the two phones are very similar. The most recent and potent iPhone, the 13 Pro, has 3 lenses on the rear, similar to the Tesla model. iPhone has 4 lenses, as has been demonstrated. With its wide-angle camera, the iPhone can capture images that the Model Pi phone cannot. For instance, you may use the Pi phone to snap high-quality images of the nighttime starry sky without needing long exposure. You can even use one lens to shoot a photo while using a different lens to record video. The notched screen of the iPhone is currently its most prominent feature. In actuality, Apple gained fame for its design. The front camera and other sensors are housed in the notch. While other phone manufacturers have experimented with new designs, such as a punched camera, Apple has just reduced the size. Many individuals dislike the design since it spoils beauty and consumes valuable screen space, yet they must put up with it to use an Apple phone. But the iPhone model lacks a notch or a punch, leaving the screen uninterrupted and attractive to the eye. The clever placement of the camera by Tesla under the screen keeps it out of the way until you need it. The fingerprint scanner is another feature that the model iPhone features underneath the screen but not the iPhone. Placing your finger on a specific screen area can allow you to unlock your iPhone, which is an efficient technique. It is wise to put a case on the iPhone as soon as you unbox it because of its textured matte glass back, which is prone to breaking when dropped. At the rear, there is a prominent Apple logo. Although the iPhone has a large logo on the back, it can change color depending on the light. The photochromic coating is to blame for this. While wireless charging has not been verified for the iPhone, charging the iPhone can be done using a port or wirelessly. There are many concerns about how slow the process is compared to other premium phones. It will include integrated solar panels so you can power it from the sun rather than wait to where you can locate a socket. Tesla should have no trouble making this happen since it has a factory that produces solar panels. Every year, Apple makes improvements to the iPhone CPU. Nevertheless, the advancements have not been very noteworthy in the past few years. The newest iPhone includes an A15 Bionic chip, while the flagship model has an additional GPU. Tesla has not disclosed information regarding the iPhone's processor, although it is anticipated that it will be vital. This is so that cryptocurrency can be mined using the model Python. Since Mars colonists will someday use it, it is evident that the iPhone will physically travel farther than the iPhone. Musk needs to create a currency so that people may conduct transactions and make a living if they want to dwell permanently on the red planet. He is producing Mars coins for this reason. The telephone will be able to mine Mars. Whether on Earth or Mars, your phone will double as your wallet, allowing you to make purchases like gas, groceries, and other things without having to dig through your wallet or cards. The model phone will require a strong CPU because it will also employ or run Musk Neuralink technologies, which attempt to read impulses from the human brain by implanting chips. This is not the only reason for this. It is not for nefarious intentions because the technology aids in the treatment of various health problems and may be able to aid those who have speech impairments in verbalizing their thoughts. Now that there are satellite connectivity rumors, the iPhone 13 didn't include satellite connectivity. The iPhone can connect to Tesla's satellite service for a high-speed internet connection. Most likely, you've heard of Starlink, one of Musk's most recent ventures. It's still in beta, but it's spreading like wildfire. Technically speaking, testers are willing to spend $500 for the dish and $99 per month to access high-speed internet through SpaceX's Starlink satellites wherever they are on Earth. Soon, the service will exit beta, and more users will sign up. What's more intriguing is that SpaceX applied to offer some telephony service. Not every aspect of the service is currently understood. There is no doubt that it will help the iPhone. It might imply that you can use the phone's integration with other Tesla goods without buying a SIM card. Many Tesla car owners use the iPhone app to operate their vehicles remotely. The fact that the iPhone OS is not under Tesla's control means that the app continues to be third-party owned software, which has some limitations. On the other hand, the Tesla model iPhone will include closer interaction with Tesla cars and other products, including solar panels, house batteries, energy management systems, etc. Availability. Even though the Apple iPhone has been around for a while, Apple continues to introduce new models each year. The Tesla Model Python is still in the works, though, since Tesla must yet complete the design and features. Nothing, however, implies that availability will take a while. Do you believe the Tesla model phone can compete with Apple's mobile device? That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.